Hey, what's up, you guys? Dan McCabe, the Residual Bulldog, founder of the Residual Bulldog community. And it is a chilly Friday night, and I'm up at one of our family. We have two family cabins. We're very fortunate in that way. My wife's family had a cabin as well. So I'm actually up at her cabin right now, going to a wedding for somebody in my family, which is really weird. Just happens to be 10 minutes down the road. But anyways, everybody needs a place like this. You know, Minnesota gets ripped on for a lot of stuff because it is cold. But the cool thing is, for those few months it's really nice. It is really nice and really beautiful. So, excited today. I just posted a comment further down on this page, and I'll put it in the comments as well. But we had a new podcast episode get released today. And this one was unique because we brought Jackie, who's the Chief Operating Bulldog. You got a new title, Jackie, by the way, Chief Operating Bulldog. She's the operations manager of everything we do at Residual Bulldog. So she was... she came on and became a guest on the podcast. So we want to get her out from behind the computer a little bit more and get her talking to you guys so you get to know her a little bit. So she's super smart, super fortunate to have her. And, she's been instrumental in putting together the Residual Kids program, the 14-day challenge, everything that we do at Residual Bulldog to help people go out there and build a residual income. And the Residual Kids program, really, that's such a passion project for me. And it's fun because so many people are helping with it. So many smart people are getting behind that because it's for helping kids. So, and in this podcast episode today, we talk about that. We talk about the benefits of the Residual Kids program. We give you the link and where you can go learn more about the Residual Kids program. And right now it's in, I guess you call it a beta test. So we have it sent out, and actually, secretly, if you go to residualkids.com, don't tell anybody this, although I just told the entire internet. But if you happen to go there, you can purchase the program. But right now it's still the beta version, meaning that we have all the core content there, but it's being reviewed by some super smart people that are going to help us just kind of make it a little cleaner, make it a little more seamless. I mean, I don't know if there's a better way to say that, but they're going to go through and hack through it and see what they can do to make it better for us, because sometimes we need that extra set of eyes on things. But if you want to go buy it now, buy it now. I mean, as it gets updated and as all the new content comes in, and there's 2 or 3 more bonus sections that are coming in, you'll get access to all those. And I don't know what we're going to do with pricing in the future. Right now it is very, very reasonable, and I threw in a really cool real estate course with it, and we're including that for free for the time being. I do know that the core Residual Kids .com program is always going to remain relatively low amount, but the real estate piece of that is eventually going to become an upsell, an add-on, something else like something else that you can buy if you want to buy. But it's a real estate course designed on showing everyday people to go out and invest in real estate and do it with the intention of using that money to save for your kids' college fund. So whatever you end up doing with it, and I guess it doesn't really matter to me, but that's the idea behind it. It's for the person who wants to invest in a couple properties here and there, but you don't necessarily want to change out your full-time job to become a real estate investor. We have different courses for that. But this is a really good introductory to a real estate course. So just excited. I was excited to have Jackie on there. It's fun to have somebody else on there with me, so it's not just always me talking to the camera. And so I think it's, out of all the episodes we do, and I think we're on like episode 87, 88. I should know this, but I don't. 87, 88, somewhere in there. Most of them I'm doing solo. We're working in a lot more interviews these days. It's really fun to be on there for somebody, for myself, it's fun to be on there with somebody else and have somebody else that we can go back and forth with. And I think you guys will find a lot of value in the podcast. I think you'll learn a lot about the program. You'll get some good free content, free information. And if you enjoy it, I would really appreciate it if you would share it and get the word out and rate it, subscribe to it, do all that kind of fun stuff. So we'd really appreciate it. It really helps us out and helps us build this community bigger, better, and stronger. So that being said, I need to go get ready for this rehearsal dinner thing that we are doing tonight. It's not really a rehearsal dinner. It's more like a campfire and s'mores because we're in northern Minnesota, and that's what they chose to do. But hey, I'm not complaining. So, all right, I'll talk to you guys soon. If I don't talk to you over this weekend, which I think I probably will, I'll talk to you next week for sure. But you have a great weekend, and look forward to hearing from many of you over the next coming week as we're launching the Residual Kids program. All right, appreciate you. Thank you.